The front shocks have been cleaned, bushings all set up, and they're back in place. Now the rear shock will go back here, which has already been cleaned up, which is a Prodigy right there. I'm not going to put that in until I need it, because it's just going to get in the way. The rear bumper, which is somewhere around here. If I can find the damn thing. Anyway, the rear bumper has been painted. Oh, there it is. The rear bumper's been painted. The front booby panel's been painted. Shock covers have been painted. You can see they go like that kind of. They look pretty cool, don't they? The bottom floor pan has been painted. The motorcycle battery cover has been painted. I'm going to leave the stock side skirts alone. You can tell they're brand new because all these divots are in place. I've got to find another way to hold that up to the back of one of the blue panels. So I've got to take this apart, take all the little gauges and shit out of it, and this thing, and then I'll repaint this part. And I've got to do some sanding on this. But the next things, I've got a tip of the day and some other things that are coming up. I'm gonna go through all. I can go through all this wiring. This is where I need some help from you, my friends. Okay, before this battery runs out, I need to check continuity, which is I need to check if I put one end on a piece of wire and the black end on another piece, it shows that the wire has continuity or has current flowing through it. If anyone, you can have to tell me which one of these to put where on this dial, and then which hole to put the black and the red in. Thank you. Then the tip of the day is this, before my battery runs out. I have two of these radiators that I bought used years ago because I worked on a Honda Ruckus. Never had a chance to put them in. But I was looking at these the other day. Actually, I was looking at them this morning. If you look through it in the sunlight, look at that. It's almost totally clean on this one. On this one, look at it. Come on, get off there. Shit. Anyway, oh well, hell with it. On this one, you can see all this dirt and dust and all kinds of bullshit in there. So I'm going to be using this one, but I have a question out there for a lot of my viewers, if you can help me out. I believe this has two nipples on it, okay? Nipples are good. Nipples are really good. But on this radiator, I think this is the overflow nipple, and I don't know what this one's for, because I have an intake right there, and I have an outtake right here. So it's not for that, it's for something else. So if anyone knows what that's for, please comment and let me know. I appreciate it, because I don't know everything. Alright, I'm going to get back to sanding that. I'm getting sent in, and I'm feeling really good, and I'm going to take a shower and go to work.